Two men died in St. Mary crash. Elderly woman mowed down by police vehicle during high-speed chase. Mechanic killed while working on a vehicle in Clarendon. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Two men died early Friday morning after a crash in Anatolia, St. Mary. It was reported that about 2 a.m., the men and a woman were traveling in a car towards Port Maria from Broadgate when, on reaching the Wagwater Bridge, the driver lost control of the vehicle, which slammed into the bridge. The vehicle flipped and went into the river. The woman reportedly climbed on top of the vehicle and called out for help. She and the other occupants were taken to the Anatolia Hospital, where the two men were pronounced dead. An elderly woman was mowed down by a police service vehicle, which overturned after the driver lost control of the vehicle during a pursuit of a fleeing motorcyclist in Westmoreland on Saturday afternoon. A cop was also injured in the incident. The deceased has been identified as Anita Swearing of a Grange Hill, Westmoreland address. The incident occurred along a section of the Grange Hill main road in the parish, and the woman was reportedly along the roadway during the chase. The elderly woman and the injured policeman were taken to hospital, where the female was pronounced dead. The policeman was reportedly admitted for treatment. A mechanic was shot dead while working on Fogar Road in Forepath, Clarendon on Saturday morning. He has been identified as 45-year-old Marlon Brown, who operates a garage on Fogar Road. Reports reaching the news media indicate that around 8:20 a.m., Brown was at his shop working on a vehicle when two men walked up to him and asked to borrow a piece of tool. The police stated that shortly after, one of the men brandished a gun and opened fire at Brown, hitting him in the left side of the head. Officers stated that they arrived at the scene to discover Brown's lifeless body lying on the ground on its back with what appears to be gunshot wounds to the left side of his head. He was taken to the Maypen Hospital, where he was pronounced dead and the body removed to the morgue. No motive has been established for the killing.